This is the Idoing radio for the 2014 FRS. I'm fairly happy with it. The sound quality I think is better than the original head unit. It's got a problem though, because I see that. All right, see, it says that I've got all the bars of mobile, but I don't really have any. I put a SIM chip in it for AT&T, and it's not compatible with Idoing. They say that T-Mobile works, but T-Mobile says that the MAC address, or not the MAC address, the IMEI address is incompatible with their network. So Idoing says T-Mobile is good. T-Mobile says not compatible. I use AT&T, so I'm thinking about taking the chip out. Well, I am going to take the chip out and put it in a different modem, Wi-Fi somewhere else, and use that chip there. And I'm going to try something different. However, it looks like it's there, but it's not really there. I've tried. I'm hooked up to Wi-Fi. I've got data on. I'm not hooked up to Wi-Fi. Let me hook up to Wi-Fi. But if I shut Wi-Fi off, you see all the bars. I go to Google. Type something in. Listen, I don't know. Search cruise ships. I don't know why that's even there. No data connection. Consider turning on Wi-Fi. So, there you go. It doesn't work. Thinks it's working. It's not working. So if I could, I'm on my own Wi-Fi at my house. So shut the data off, or I could leave the data on. It doesn't matter. And now I can type in cruise ships and search, and it'll come up because, well, now I'm hooked it up to Wi-Fi, as you can see right there, Wi-Fi. But otherwise, I'm actually quite happy with this. I use it mostly for CarPlay. I have an iPhone. So I use the CarLink, and I'm actually already hooked up. Well, apparently, I thought it was. It's not perfect. I don't know if there's one better. This one's not bad. Get on there. It's pretty. I found the keys fairly self-explanatory. Home always brings you back to this page. I haven't really messed with the settings too much. I changed the background. I changed so when the lights are on in the car, lights off, brightens up, lights on, gets lighter. Went with a darker background so that I can see at night. I don't have a glaring stereo. I do work late, so my drive home is always at night, so it needs to be darker. But everything seems to work. The sound is really good. I got my backup camera to work. So, back up. Nice. Alright. The backup camera, let's see. Do a different video because it's wired up like an OEM backup camera, not an aftermarket camera. Aftermarket cameras are 12 volt. OEMs were 6 volt. This is a 6 volt, and the wire goes not in the wire that's provided from Idoing that's labeled camera or reverse. The reverse activation is actually hooked into the 28 pin connector, and then it's connected to wire underneath the dash.